If you want that high-end custom install look without the hassle and expense of making custom mounting brackets and lines, then do I have the new product for you. What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, back to show y'all an awesome upgrade for your nitrous system. These custom solenoid mounting brackets make your nitrous install quick and easy while looking clean and attractive. They allow for your nitrous and fuel solenoids to be mounted securely while still being able to swivel in place for the perfect fit and best possible routing for your nitrous system. These brackets are available for both EFI and carbureted applications, with some being vehicle specific. If there is not a vehicle or flange specific option for your application, we offer a universal solenoid mounting bracket as well. Here at Nitrous Express, we are developing new brackets very regularly. So if none of these fit your application, make sure to come back and check out the new products section on our website to see if yours has been updated. For more information on these solenoid brackets, visit us at nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.